Hello, Gemini. Welcome to your weekly reading. This is for November 14th through 20th. Well, today, we are going to do your general energy first, see what's going on overall for the week, and then we're going to do a focus on love and then career and money just for the week now, okay? So, Gemini, let's see what we have for your general energy. Okay, we have the Three of Wands, the Tower. Oh, two cards want to come out, the Ace of Swords and the what is that? Eight of Wands in reverse. Okay. Some of you may be traveling this week or saying yes to going somewhere. I feel like you just want to expand your horizons, whether this is leave the state, leave the country, leave a job, do something out of the ordinary. It's basically a week for you to do something out of the ordinary, okay? I feel like you need to get away from things. You need to get away from things. That's what it is. And I feel like it's a good idea. I feel like this week is going to usher in a lot of change for you that you need. That's what it is. It's going to usher in change that you need. A shift, a change of scenery, a change of energy, whatever that is. Workaholic, yeah. Facade, yeah. Some of you have been putting up with a lot of stuff, dealing with a lot of stuff, and this is the time for you to move away from that. Some of you have been working a lot, and you've kind of, it's become who you are over time. And now it's time to find out who you really are, like how you interact with the world and who you are in the scheme of things. So this involves breaking free of toxic relationships or always having to do something for someone or people relying on you or even your job relying on you. I feel like you just need that kind of time to yourself to like be free. It could just be a lot of responsibilities as well, okay? So in love, Gemini, everything's falling out. Okay, so we have the Nine of Swords in reverse, Justice, and the Four of Swords. Whatever relationship problems you had or anxieties that you had about your relationship, I feel like you're putting those down right now. And I feel like it's because you want to give everybody and everything in this situation a fair chance, It could be that you're just tired of it. Your mind is going back and forth and you're just putting it down. This is a time where you may try something new with a partner or you're just letting your guard down, having a good time. Yeah. So you're feeling safe. This is like, why do I still have my guard up when I feel safe here? And this is if you feel safe. If not, you're trying to figure out how to feel safe. But I feel like for a lot of you, you do feel safe. No, this is more like, if I feel safe, why am I still defensive? This is like getting married to someone and still having your guard up. Why would you do that? You've already given that to that person. So it's a sense of needing to be vulnerable. Yeah, needing to be vulnerable. Trying to build something more healthy, more sturdy, more nurturing to the long term of a relationship and not just day to day. I hope that makes sense. Exchanging gifts. Yeah, this is about opening up. right? Not judging a person, but like seeing them for who they are and just being okay with it. And learning how to balance it, learning how to bounce off of each other, learning how to um, live together, to coexist, and seeing if that's going to work for those of you who are new um, to a relationship, or just if you're with this person for a long time or married, just working on trying to do that, Okay, so work and money, or career and money. So we have the King of Swords, the Knight of Wands in reverse, and the Five of Wands. Okay. Be careful of lashing out at work this week. What's going on? I feel like you want to stand up for yourself. And I feel like you don't want to be pushed. But it can come off a bit overbearing. Some of you may have a weird attitude with people of authority this week. What's interesting is I feel like you don't want to argue, but you want people to know or take you seriously. It's like you don't want to be told no or you're wrong. Like you don't want to debate. Okay? That's what I feel like you don't want to debate. I feel like this can come off very angry or very mean, and you might be saying or doing things that come off pretty nasty, but I don't feel like you mean it in a nasty way. Okay? That's what's interesting about this is these two cards are very aggressive and very impulsive and kind of mean. But I think you're coming off that way, but you really don't want to argue. That's what this is. This is like, I don't want to argue. I don't want to be mad, mad. It's like you're almost so straight to the point that people think it's aggressive at work. You're very focused on getting your point across at work with material, with work and with money. Be careful of impulsive shopping as well. Because I feel like you're not thinking like your budget through with that. So 10 of Wands in reverse and the Temperance. Sorry, I zoned out. I apologize. Yeah, Gemini, your energy is very much, I just want the burdens to subside for right now. I feel like you just need calm, like calm and patience, and just, it would be nice if you could hit the pause button for like this week. That's what I feel like you truly, truly want. So you can make a decision. You really need a break from your problems. That's why I was getting that vacation energy, like a vacation or to go somewhere or to, like, you just need a change. Yeah, you need a change. This will be a good week to take off from work if you can. Try to keep your distance. Try not to get upset. Try to keep conversation to a minimum, honestly. That's what I would say. Okay. So I love you, Gemini. Talk to you later. Bye bye.